Good afternoon, guys. I'm going to make a video presentation. This is a continuation with my last loading sequence. The trimming hold was 8 and 2, and now we will make a trimming hold of 1 and 9 with the same amount of cargo to load. So let's start, guys. If you remember last time, the cargo to load was 2,565 metric tons, and the trimming hold is 8 and 2. Okay, this is the vessel Cape size of MB Cape Odyssey, loading in Portland, Australia, and discharge in South Korea. The cargo is iron ore, and the backwater density at berth is 1.025. Okay, and the cargo is Yandy Finds. Okay, and the vessel is to load from hold number 1 to hold number 9. Okay, this was our previous video about trimming hold of 2 and 8. Now, well, during that time when I was chief officer, the captain told me that to make a loading plan or loading sequence for this trimming cargo hold of 2 and 8 and 1 and 9 with the same departure drop of 18.23 centimeters departure drop your mid, and also with the same with this here. Okay, the same drop forward 1813 and 1833, which is trimming hold of 2 and 8, and the mid drop is 1823 and trim is 0.20. That is for trimming hold 2 and 8. Now the captain asked me to make another loading sequence, and the trimming hold would be 1 and 9, and the same drop forward of 18.13, up is 1833, mid is 1823, and the drop trim is 0.20 with the same amount of cargo of 205,655 metric tons, and the other one has the same amount of 205,665. So we'll just concentrate on this second loading sequence with the trimming hold of 1 and 9. Okay, so let's start, guys. Again, I made a night order asking the duty officer upon completion in port number 18 of loading hold number 1, upon completion of loading hold number 1 of 9,105, they have to stop the operation, and myself or the chief officer and the drop surveyor will make a drop reading around the vessel to compute for the remaining cargo to load, assuming that we have completed the drop reading and we both agreed that forward drop is 17.76 meters and up drop is 18.12 meters, and the mid drop is 17.94, and the trim is 0.36. So we will usually the drop surveyor has his own program, and I myself have my own program. So let's begin, guys. Apply this drop to our program. So I will go to the vessel, which is MB Cape Odyssey. Okay. So I'll start with form number 6, which is how to find trim when handling several moderate weights. Okay. So the drop forward, how much was the drop forward? Is 17. Drop forward is 1776. Okay. So 17.76, and drop up is 18.12. Okay, so put there 18.12. Take note that the main drop is 1794 and the trim is 0.36, LCF, MTC, and the TPC. Just take note of the TPC 138.70. Okay, and take note that the start of loading, the density is 1.025. Upon completion, the density is 1.025. Then the surveyor and myself, or the chief officer, agreed that the actual midport is, let's say, 17.94. The same with your main drop, and actual mid starboard is the same of 17.94. Okay, and your final mid departure drop, or your departure drop, is 18.23. Okay, and this is your trim of 0.20. Okay, so your departure drop is 18.23. So put here 18.23. Okay, then his recommended cargo to load for trimming is 4,022.6, while the sequence, this recommendation is only 4,000. Okay, so we are 22.6 tons more from the loading sequence. Okay, from the plan. Now take note, your departure drop is 18.23. You interpolate the TPC for 18.23, and the interpolation of the TPC is 138.71, which is this one. Okay, now how did I get this figure? If you click this one, you will see the formula here. It says K8K and 8. That will be your sink gauge times your M3. M3. Okay, that's 3. That's 138.71 times 100. So I will repeat. Sink gauge times TPC times 100 is 4,022.6. Okay. Then you scroll down, follow this arrow, then put this figure here. That will be 4023. If you run it up, that will be 4023. What will be the results after loading 4023? Take note that the mid drop is the same with your final mid drop here, and your sink gauge is exactly the same with this one. Okay, so the recommended for this program is 4,023. Let's say we follow this recommendation of 4,000. Okay, 4,000. If we put here 4,000, check, enter, then 4,000, it will be the same drop. But I would rather use this one because you are 23 metric tons more. So if you can use 4,000, but I would rather use this one because you are 22.6 tons more. So put that again. So I make it 4,023. Okay. Now, take note of 4,023. As recommended, you put it here. And this will be the TPC of your final bid drop of 13871. Okay. So 4023 divided by 138.71 is 29. 29 divided by 100, that will be 0.29. That will be your sinkage. So your present drop is 17.94, which is this one, plus your sinkage of 0.29, and your final made will be 18.23, which is exactly the same here. So this is one way of getting your sinkage, and here's another way of getting sinkage is 18.23 minus 17.94 is 0.29. This is the fastest way to get your sinkage. And this is only a backup or another solution to get your sinkage. Okay? And the third one will be sinkage equals weight divided by your TPC divided by 100. So, your weight is 4023 divided by your TPC of 138.71 divided by 100, then you will have 0.29, exactly the same here of your sinkage. Anyway, this formula here is the same with this one. Just I am showing you how it is being done here. Okay, so let's go down. Once you get your actual cargo to load for trimming, then you go to trim holds 2. So you go to trim holds 2, click this one. Then trimming with 2 holes. Take note of the remaining cargo for trimming is 4023. Your initial drop, mid drop, trim, your MTC, LCF, and TPC. Okay. Then the trimming hold, take note of the remaining cargo to load is 4023, and the trimming hold now is 199, right? Put 1 and 9. Okay. Okay, take note that 19 is registered here and here. Okay. But if, for example, the trimming hold is 2, take note of the changes. 2, enter, 2, 8. Okay. The figure here will also change. There's now 8 and 2. 2 and 8. Okay. But our trimming hold is 1 and 9. So let's put it to 1 and 9. Okay. Again, scroll down. What will be our final trim? According to our sequence, the final trim is 0.20. This is the mean drop and the trim of 0.20 or 20 centimeters. So, we put here 20 centimeters or 0.2. 0.2. Enter. And he will tell you what to load in hold number 1 and hold number 9. So number 1, we have to load, let's say 2005. Okay, 2005. Put here 2005. Enter. And number 9 will be 2018. Okay, 2018. If you run it up, and your departure drop would be forward is 18.13 and up is 18.13. 18.33. So take note, forward 18.33, forward is 18.33, and up is 18.33. 18.33. Your trim is 20 centimeters, your main is 18.23. Okay? If departure drop is 18.23 and your trim is 0.20, okay? Then, your deflection is 0. How to get I get this deflection is mid drop minus your mean. So where is your mid drop? So mid drop you place equals. Don't go to form number 6. Take note after loading 4023, the result will be your mid drop of 1823. You click this one, press enter, there you go. And your min drop, press equals, and this is your min drop. Press enter, and your deflection is 0. Okay? So after completion of this program of 2 holes, then you go back to form number 6. Okay? You scroll down. Take note that number 1 and 9 is registered here, and the cargo for number 1 is 205, 2005, and 9 is 218, which is exactly the same here. Okay? Go back to form number 6. Then put holes 1 and 9 here. Put the cargoes corresponding to the cargo hold, and let's check the LCG. LCG of number 1. Scroll down. LCG of number 1 is negative 117.91. 117.91, and number 9 is 9408. Number 9 is 9408. Okay? Then you scroll down. Your departure drop would be forward is 18.13, up is 18.33, which is the same with your, or let's say, the same with your trim 2 holds. Okay? Forward is 18.13, up is 18.33, which is the same here. Your trim is 0.20, and your main is 18.23. Your main is 18.23, and your deflection is 0. Again, where did I get this mid drop? Put equals, and your mid drop is this one. Okay? If you remember, press enter. Okay, and your main drop is put equals there, and this is your main drop. Take note that your deflection is 0. So mid drop minus min drop is 0. Okay, so we have 2 programs for number 6 and trim 2 holes. Okay, then we go by trim table. This will be program number 3. Take note of the trimming amount of 4023, trimming hold, and the amount of cargo in its hold to trimming. Then we will apply the forward correction of hold number 1 and number 9. So we go back here. We go to trim correction table. That will be 1 and 9. Our departure drop is 18.23. So the nearest drop here, you will select 18 because the nearest. Okay, so we hold number 1. It will be number 1. Highlight this one. Make it red and bold. And this one, put it back to normal. Take out the bold. Then number 9. Number 9. We go to hold number 9. That is L. Okay, L. Go to number 9. L. This is hold number 9. Hold number 9. Okay. make it red and bold. And this number 8, put it back to normal, to black and unbold. So this is now your 9 and this is your 1. Okay. So hold number 1, the forward correction is 2.7. So put here 2.7, 2.7, and up correction is how much? Negative 1.3. Put here negative 1.3. Okay. Then in correction forward in hold number 9. Go back here, hold number 9, scroll down. Number 9 is forward is negative 0.8. Put here negative 0.8. Okay. And up correction in hold number 9 is how much? 2.3. Okay. So put here 2.3. 2.3. Then what will be your departure drop? Your more here is this should be 18.13 and up should be 18.33. So first adjust this one. And your trim is short of 2 centimeters. So adjust this, make this 18.13. Okay. Go up a little bit. Then adjust the forward correction. This is your forward correction. This is your up correction. Okay. Then you adjust the forward. Make it 18.13. Let's say make it 2.6. Take note the changes in your forward drop. Too much. 2.16. Make it, put 5 here. Now you have 18.23. Okay. Your correction now is 2.65, which is 80. Now, excuse me, your up drop should be 18.33. Now you are less now of 1 centimeter. So adjust the up correction of hold number 9, which is this one. You make this, let's say 3.5. Then now it's 18.33. Your forward is 18.33, up is 18.13, up is 18.33, mean is 18.23, mid is 18.23, trim is 20, and it's now okay. Okay, the same with your drop here. Forward 18.13, 18.33, 18.23, and 23, which is the same here. Okay. Now, take note, and your deflection is 0. Okay. The same. You have to know where I get I mid. Put equals here. Go to form 6, and this will be your mid. If you remember, after loading this cargo of 2023, then should be your departure mid. Click. There you go. And your main drop is equals, and this should be your main drop. Okay. I'm sorry. Equals. This one. And click this one. And your main equals, then click this your main, then your reflection is 0. Okay. Now take note, guys. You don't know which cargo hold to load first. It's either 1 or 9. If you load in number 1, you will be trimmed by the head, and if you load number 9, you will trim by the stern. So I would prepare you load number 9 so that you will have a good trim by the stern before you load number 1. So here I made a program that we will load first in hole number 9. Okay. Take note of hole number 9. The cargo is 2018, which is same here. Correction is negative 0.08, same here, and 2.35 here. And number 1, the amount of cargo is 2005, the same here. Correction is 2.065, 2.65, and up is negative 13. Okay, same. Okay. Take note that the forward initial drop forward is 1776 and 1812 up, which is the same here. 1776 and 1812. Okay. Then after loading hole number 9 of 21.8, your final drop will be, initial drop will be 7.60 and up is 1859 and you are trimmed by the stern. Carry this down, Then you load in hole number 1. After loading 2005, your final drop will be 8 forward 1813 and up is 1833. Your trim is 20 centimeters and main is 18.23. Okay. And your deflection is 0, the same here. Okay. So this is program number 1, trim by trim table. Program number 2, trim 2 holes, and number 3 is the same here. So you have 3 programs here, and the fourth program, form number 7. Form number 7 has to find draft and trim when handling weights involving large changes in wind draft. Take note that the density at the start of loading is 1.025 and on completion of loading is 1.025. Okay? To make a shortcut or to ease your computation, you just put equals here. Okay, equals. Then you go to trim 2 holes. Then you press 1. The forward drop. Forward drop. You go to form 6. Okay, you go to form 6. You forward drop here. Click enter. There you go. Then up drop. You press equals. Then you go to form number 6. Up drops 18.12. Enter. Okay, so you will have your main drop of 1794. Trim is 36. Okay. Then you apply now the cargo to load for trimming. So number 1 here, press equals, go to trim holes 2, put 1 there. Okay, and number 9 equals, go to trim holes 2 and click number 9. And the cargo in number 1, press equals, go to trim holes 2 and press this one. Okay. And number 9, cargo, you press equals, then you go to holes number 2, then you press this one. Okay. Then apply the LCG. So what is the LC of number 1? Say equals, then go to trim holes 2, then scroll down. The LCG of number 1 is this one, negative 117.91. Press enter. Then there she goes. And number 9, you press equals. We go to trim holes 2. And number 9, LCG will be 9408. Okay? 94.08. Press enter. Then there goes. Then you scroll down. Your main drop will be 18.23 and your departure drop would be forward of 18.13, up is 18.33, which is Forward is 1813, up is 1833, which is the same here. Okay. And your main drop is 1823. Okay. 1823, and your trim is 020, which is the same here. If you run the top, this will be 20 centimeters. Then your deflection is 0, hug here. So again, you press this one, you get your mid drop, then you go to form 6, and your mid drop is this one. After loading 4023, click this one. There you go, and your mid drop, click this one. Click this one, and that will be your main drop, and your trim is 0, or your deflection is 0. It's either you can use this one or the other one, equals, or this is also your main drop, corresponding drop, this one. Click this one. Okay. So it's 004. You want to reduce this one, you can use this one, equals, and use this main drop. It's 002. Okay. So that will be the same departure drop according to your loading plan. Okay, forward is 18. 13 up is 1833. Okay, and your mid drop is 1823, and your trim is 020. Okay, so you actually hit according to your plan. You get a target of your sailing drop, your forward and up drop, your trim, and your main drop. Okay. Now this is for the vessel Cape Odyssey. Okay. Now, for example, another Capesize vessel, Cape CPO Europe, using the same program, loading sequence. Okay. So we put here, forward is how much? Keep Odyssey. Let me see it this way. To make it forward service 1776 to 1776. This is CPO Europe 17.76, and updraft is how much? 1812. So 1812. It is 18.12. Okay. Then your main drop is 1794. Your trim is 036. LCF, MTC, and TPC. Okay. Then you put your mid port, the same as your mid drop of 1794. There. 94. So with your mid starboard of 1794. 94. And your departure drop is 1823, right? Now, 1823.23 minus 1794 is 0.29. This is your sinkage. Again, 1820.23 minus 17.94, that will be 0.29 as your sinkage. And your recommended cargo per trimming is 4,000. Exactly the same with your loading sequence of 4,000. Okay. So you scroll down, put here 4002. 4002. After you load 4002, your mid drop will be 1823. the same here, and your sinkage is 029, which is the same here. Okay. Take note of the actual cargo tolerable trimming is 4002. So I get here. For checking, I put there 4002. Put the TPC for your final need of 1823. You interpolate the TPC, that will be 38 meters. So I have it 38. I put it 38. 4002 divide your TPC 138, that will be 29. Divide by 100, that will be 0.29 or 0.29. This should be your sinkage, okay? Put this sinkage, okay? That will be your sinkage. Put this sinkage and make it that will be your sinkage, okay? So your present drop, mid drop is 1794, which is this one. Your sinkage is 0.29. Add this one, that your final departure drop will be 1823, which is this one, okay? And take note, the recommended cargo to load is 0.0 and your actual cargo to load is 4002, and you have difference here. That will be for number 6. You're going to trim holes 2. Trim holes 2. Trimming 2 holes. Take note of the trimming cargo to load was 4002. Your initial drop, main drop, trim, empty seal, CF, and TPC. Your trimming hold is 1, plus 1, and 9. Okay. Scroll down. Take note, your final trim was 0.20. 20, press enter. And the recommended cargo to load for hold number 1 is 1944. So put here 1944. Then number 9 should be 258. 258. You run it up, and your departure drop forward will be 1813. Up is 1833. Trim is 20. 20 centimeters. Main is 1823. And your deflection is 0. Okay. Then you go back to form number 6. Take note of to load in number 1 and 9 is 1944, 20, 258. Okay, 244, 1944, 258. Okay. Then put hole number 1 and 9 here. Put the figures for each hole and check the LCG. So LCG of number 1. LCG of number 1. Scroll down. LCG of number 1 is negative 117876. 117876, and 9 is 90.3. 9 is 90.3. Okay. Then scroll down. You have the same drop, departure drop 18, 13, 18, 33. Trim is 20, and main is 18, 23. Your deflection is 0. Okay. So you have 2 programs, form number 6 and trim 2 holes. Now we go by trim table. So trim table, take note of the cargo 4602, trimming hold 1 and 9, and the figures here of cargo to load. Then we will apply the correction forward and up correction of holes 1 and 9. So what is the correction of hold number 1? Forward. So hold number 1. This is hold number 1. That will be 18 meters. You highlight this one to red. Okay. And make it bold. And put this back to normal. To black and unbold. There you go. 1 and 9. Go to 9. Number 9 is this one. Make it red and bold. Okay. And this one, put it back to normal, to black and unblock. Okay. Then we go to holds number 1. Correction hold number 1 is 2.7. You put here 2.7. 2.7. And up correction is how much? Up correction is negative 1.3. Negative 1.3. Okay. Negative 1.3. And forward correction hold number 9. Hold number 9, scroll down and hold number 9 forward is negative 0.8. Negative 0.8. And number 9 up correction is 2.3. 2.3. Enter. And your sailing drop is forward is 18.12. It is short of 1 centimeters, and up is 18.34, which is more of 1 centimeters. So we adjust number 1. So number forward drop. So 2.7, we make it 275. Then get a target forward of 1813. And this one up, make it 1833. Make it 225. 25. What is 25? There you go. 18 forward now is 1813, up is 1833, mean is 1823, mid is 1823, your trim is 20, your deflection is 0. Okay. Okay. Then here number 1, you have to load first in number 9 so that you will have a good trim. Take note of the figures. 2058, correction is negative 08, up is 255. Then hold number 1, 1944, forward is 275, and up is negative 13. Take note of the initial drop, and your final drop is 1813 forward, up is 1813, 1833 up. Trim is 20 centimeters, main is 1823, and your deflection is 0. Okay? So that should be your number 3 program by trim table, by trim 2 holds, and form number 6. Okay? Then the fourth program is form number 7, which is how to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes in wind drop. Again, at the start of loading, the density at birth is 1.025 and on completion is 1.025. Okay. Then you put your initial forward drop equals, you go to, you can press this one, it's the same. That will be 1776, and your updraft is equals, updraft is 1812. Press enter. Then your min drop is 1794, your trim is 036. Okay, then you apply now the cargo to load. So in number 1, press enter. You go to trim holds 2, press this one, and number 9 equals trim holds to, press number 9. Okay. And figure in number 1, how much? Press equals to trim holds to, then press this one. There you go, and equals here. Go to trim holds to and press the amount of figures. 25.8, okay? And your LCG of number 1, press enter. We go to trim holds to number 1. Scroll down. Number 1 is negative 117,876. Press enter. And hold number 9, LCG. Go to trim holds to number 9 is 9031. Enter. And what will be your departure drop? Your main drop is 1823 here. And your forward and up drop is 1805. 1841. What happened here? Double check, guys. Something wrong with this one. It is 76, 1812. Okay. I'll do it again, guys. Okay, equals.
Beautiful. Very, very well done. So this is
Press this one. Okay. Then equals. Press this one.
Is different from this. There are different harmonies happening
Okay.
here. There are different, riffing.
And
really, really nice. So this screenshot here, they're facing each other.
take note here.
Why would they do that? What is the point of that? So there's this kind of
Press equals trim holds to 1 9. Press 9 equals here. Number 1 amount is equals here. Number 9. Press this one. LCG of number 1. LCG number 1. You go scroll down. LCG of number 1. Press this one. Then LCG of number 9. Number 9 is this one. Okay.
But there's also a level of kind of conducting themselves. That's that unspoken.
The trim is 0.35, but you get the main drop of 1823. What matters more is your main drop of 1823. You will still get the cargo. So this is the vessel for CPO Europe. Then we have another vessel, the last one, which is MB Cape United. Okay, so again, we start with the program. Drop forward is how much? Drop forward is 1776. 17.76. Drop up is 1812. Okay, 18.12. Then your present main drop is 1794. Trim is 037. LCF, MTC, and DPC. Okay, so you write here 1794 17.94 and 17.94. Okay, and your sharing drop is 1823. 0.23. So 1823 minus 1794 is 0.29. Your departure drop of 1823, the interpolation of TPC is 138, this one. And the recommended cargo to load is 4002. Okay, 4002. You put here 4002. After loading 4002, your main drop would be 1823, which is the same here, and your sinkage is 29, which is the same here. Take note of your remaining cargo to load is 4002, and your final TPC of the main drop is 1138. 4002 divided by 138, that is 29 divided 100, that will be 29, this will be your sinkage. Okay. Okay. And I will go this to this one. That will be your sinkage. So your present drop is 1794 plus your sinkage of 029. Your final made will be 1823, which is the same here. And the recommended cargo to load will be 4002, and the actual cargo to load is 4002. There's no difference. Then we go to trim holds 2. You put the trimming hold of, this is your initial drop, min drop, trim, and your MTC, LCF, and TPC. Put your trimming hold is 1 and 2. 1 and 9, sorry. And your trim is 20 centimeters. So 0.20. And how much are going to load in number 1 is 1994. You put here 1994, and number 9 is 2008. 2008. Okay, and your departure drop forward will be 1813, up is 1833, trim is 0.20, main drop 1823, and your deflection is 0. That will be trim holds 2. Second program, the first program, form number 6 is the same drop of 1813 forward, 18.33 up, 20 centimeters trim, and your main drop is 1823. So that will be your second program, and the third program is by trim table. Your trimming table, take note of the cargo to load is 4002, holds 1 and 9, the amount of cargo to load, and we will apply the correction forward and up of holds 1 and 9. So what is the correction on hold number 1? So 1823, you use this 18 drop mark of 18. So hold number 1, highlight this one, make it red and bold. And this one back to normal, number 1. And this one back to normal, make it black and unbold. Okay, then we go to hold number 9. Hold number 9, this one, make it red and bold. And number 8, make this to normal, make it black and unbold. No, it should be black and unbold. This one should be red and bold. Okay, so you go to hold number 1. Board correction is 2.7. So put here 2.7, and up correction is how much? Negative 1.3. So negative 1.3, and number 9 is how much? Scroll down. Number 9 forward is 0, negative 0.9. Negative 0.9. And up correction is how much? 2.3. So you put here 2.3. Okay. Then what will be your departure drop? You are short here of 2 centimeters and short here of 1 centimeter. So that will be, should be 1.3, make this 2.8. Okay. Take note of the changes for your forward drop. Then 18.13. Okay. Then increase this one to by 1 centimeter. So make this 4. Okay. So make it 3.5. 3.5. There you go. But this is more. Should be 20. So reduce this one. Make it 4. What is your trim? Now, forward is 18.13, up is 18.33, main is 18.23, mid is 18.23. Your trim now is 0.20, and your deflection is 0. So this is your third program. Trim 2 holes, by trim table, trim 2 holes, and form number 6. Okay. Then we go to the fourth program, form number 7, how to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes of drop. So your start of loading is density is 1.025, and upon completion your drop or your density is 1.025. Okay, so apply, put now your forward drop is equals here. Go to form 6, press this one, 1775. Is that correct? 1776. Okay, it is 17. It should be 1776. Okay, 1776. 1776. 1776. Okay, then we go. This is now 14.
Sagasang si Bulit.
Repeat. Ano? Nabasa?
Bulungan ko si Bulit.
94. Should be 1813. $19.80. Should be 1980. 80. 22 to 1980. 22 to. Okay. Trim table. Adjust now the up. This is 24. 34. Make this 3. Make this 3. Now 13, 18, 13, 33, 18, 23, 18, 23, 20. Flexion is 0. Okay. That will be the same here. The same. Forward and up. The same here. Okay. 13, 33. Okay. Then we go to the fourth program. Press this one. equals. Then you go to forward drop 1776. Updraft is 1812. 1812? Yeah, 1812. Okay. Then scroll down. You push equals. Go to holds 2. Press 1. Then number 9 equals. You put 9. There. Number 1 equals. How much you load in number 1? 1980. And number 9, how much you load? 2022. Okay. The LCG of number 1. LCG of number 1. You go scroll down. That will be negative 1791. And LCG of number 9. Press enter. Number 9 is 9408. And your departure drop is 1823 mid or your mean, and departure drop forward is 1813, up is 1833, your main drop is 1823. You round it up, this will be 20 centimeters, and your deflection is 0. So that's it, guys. You can use this program to any capesize vessel, as I have already shown you this example. So if you like this video, please click the like button, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a good day.